let's make this cup. I started with a cup that had been sanded and painted and grabbed a piece of scrapbook paper, cut it to size. I used some glitter glue from Adhesive Apothecary to attach the paper to the cup. Once that dried, I went over the scrap paper with some binding potion. Once that binding potion dried, I went in with some Liquid Art Elite from KS Resin. I added a little bit of pure pigment from PDB. Then once that resin cured, I added some UV DTF conversation hearts to the cup. And because sometimes UV DTF decals will repel resin, I did seal that with some binding potion. Then I went in, after that dried, with another layer of epoxy. And I like how that pure pigment just gives it a teeny tiny shimmer. So here she is.